Nearly half of digital workers say they waste time searching for the documents they need. That's according to Gartner, and the cause is often disorganized content. Microsoft SharePoint gives you tools to fix that, but those tools won't help unless you know how to use them right. That's a quote from Brian Leger, co-founder of Infotech Solutions. Let's get right to it. If your document libraries are messy, your team is wasting time, risking compliance issues, and leaving confidential data exposed. You can fix that by starting with a document audit. Clear out what you don't need, label what you keep, and use consistent naming conventions. From there, structure each library based on how teams actually work, not just what looks neat on the back end. Next, use metadata instead of deep folder structures. That makes files easier to find and improves automation. Control access by setting permission groups based on roles instead of managing access user by user. Set up custom views to help different teams quickly see what's relevant to them. Then train everyone on how to use the system properly. Even the best setup breaks down if your team doesn't follow it. Keep things running smoothly with regular audits. Over time, teams change, and so does the content. Stay ahead of that with scheduled cleanups. Also, use versioning, set retention policies, and block unnecessary file types. These steps reduce clutter, improve compliance, and make SharePoint easier to manage across departments. Want to learn how to get the most out of your SharePoint setup? Read the full article now on our website, and don't forget to add this to your playlist.